Hello YouTube, welcome to this quick video on the Arrow exhaust for the XSR700. Hello viewers, this is a pretty rapid video. I'm just going to show you what this exhaust looks like out of the box, because all the videos I've seen on YouTube are just guys that have already fitted it to the bike and revving it and stuff. I was more interested in showing you what it looks like before you put it on. So this is what you get. You get two downpipes, stainless steel, with two flanges for putting it onto the engine of the bike. And they come around, they join into this Y section here. You get some attachment points for some spring sections, which you get in the packets that you get with it. You get a spring there, you get a bolt for mounting the tailpipe on, and you get the spring sections here and a little tool to put them on. So you get quite a lot. You get a threaded bung for the O2 sensor. All these sections slot into each other pretty easily, and then they're held in tension by the springs. And I've gone for the black end can because I think it goes quite well with the black and green XSR that I've got. Interestingly, I've seen this is the baffle. It seems to be held in with a spring clip, so it looks like it's pretty easily removable. I know on the Akrapovic exhaust you have to drill out rivets and all sorts to get it out. So it does look like it has quite an easily removable baffle. And if I just show you inside the end can, yeah, that's just looking down the inside there. You can see the inside of the can and just the end of the baffle. So just see if I can get... There you go, that's what it looks like inside. Pretty nice. It doesn't weigh very much. According to the stats, it weighs about 2 kilograms all in all. The downpipes and everything are very light. That feels like about 1 kilogram. The end can, it does feel like a bit more than 1 kilogram. I wonder if the whole thing weighs more like 3 kilograms, but compared to the 7 or 8 of the stock system, that's quite a weight saving. Okay, that's about it for now. My first impressions are that it's very good. It's quite nicely put together. The welds all look good. There's a slight burr on the pipe here, but it's pretty minor. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the build quality. I'll be doing a video riding along with this once I've fitted it, and I'll be giving my opinions on why I chose the Arrow instead of the Akrapovic or a lot of the other options, and I'll give you some thoughts on the power increases and also why I decided to fit an aftermarket exhaust and the pros and cons of that. Anyway, I hope that's been a little bit useful, as in perhaps informed any decisions you might be wanting to make. So thanks for watching for now. If you like this, please subscribe, and see you next time.